Hello everyone, hello bachas, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Welcome to Preeti Physics classes, and last class we were doing light series and we almost complete theory part. We are doing numericals now. Last video was also on numericals on the lens formula, and today's class will also be the numericals only on the lens formula. Okay, so lens formula you all know, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, where v was the distance of image, u was the distance of the object, and f was the focal length of that lens. So without any further delay, we will start our video, and that is about the lens formula. Okay, so first question that is here. See, a needle placed at 45 cm from the lens form an image on a screen placed 90 cm on the other side of the lens. Identify the type of lens and determine its focal length. Read the questions and tell me which lens is this. We studied two lenses. One is convex, one is concave lens. Concave lens is diverging, and the image formed by the concave lens is always virtual, and it is on the same side of the lens. You remember? भूल गए? अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो. Okay, see, this is concave lens, and in this case the image was always this side. Object was also this side, image was also this side. This was a virtual and erect image. Here, question is what? A needle placed at 45 cm from the lens. U is given minus 45 cm. Form an image on a screen placed 90 cm on the other side of the lens. So other side of the lens बच्चा कौन सा लेंस होगा? Convex lens. Only convex lens possible, क्योंकि concave में तो वो केस होता ही नहीं है. So first answer is what? This is convex lens. Okay. So 90 cm on the other side of the lens. Identify the type of lens. हम लोग identify कर चुके हैं. This is convex lens, and determine its focal length. So now we need to find out the focal length. So if we will draw this with the ray diagram, how you will draw, children? See. This is a concave lens. This is optical center. Here it is f1. Here it is 2f1. And this side this is f2. This side this is 2f2. Tell me, bacha, which case is this? When object is at 45 cm or image 90 cm पे है. This is far away from the lens. ये कौन से केस में पॉसिबल होता है? When object is between f1 and 2f1, in that case image was forming beyond 2f2. If you remember, याद है ना सभी केसेस, जब ऑब्जेक्ट f1 के 2f1 के ऊपर होता है तो इमेज भी कहाँ बनती है? 2f2 के ऊपर. And when the object is between f1 and 2f1, in that case image is beyond 2f2. So see the question. ऑब्जेक्ट 45 सेंटीमीटर पे है, इमेज कहाँ बन रहा है? 90 सेंटीमीटर, वेरी फार. तो उससे जो नेक्स्ट केस है उसमें कहाँ जाता है? इंफिनिटी. तो वो तो पॉसिबल होगा नहीं. सो व्हाट इज द केस? ऑब्जेक्ट इज समवेयर हियर. f1 एंड 2f1 के बीच में कहीं पे है, 45 सेंटीमीटर पे. इमेज कहीं यहाँ पे बन रहा है, इस तरफ. ओके, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, दैट इज एट द 90 सेंटीमीटर. सो v इज व्हाट? प्लस और माइनस? प्लस 90 सेंटीमीटर. Because it is in the right hand side, this is in the left hand side. I am just telling you through this diagram. No need to draw the diagram because question is not asking about the diagram. I am just drawing just to tell you, just to make you understand that how we will go about it. So now see, u is minus 45, v is plus 90. We know lens. We already know that this is the convex lens. How we will know about the focal length? Lens formula. So 1 by v is 90. Minus 1 by u. Now one more negative sign is here, so it will be plus 1 by 45, that is equal to 1 by f. Now take LCM bacha. This is 1 and this is 2. 1 by f. This will be 3 by 90, and when you will reciprocate, you will solve and it will be 30 cm. So focal length is what? 30 cm. So your answer will be what bacha? Answer will be, it is a convex lens of focal length 30 cm. सी, ये तुम यहाँ से भी प्रूव कर सकते हो. सी, ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है. दिस डिस्टेंस इज 45 सेंटीमीटर समवेयर हियर. तो फोकल लेंथ तो, क्योंकि ये 2f1 और f1 के बीच में है, तो फोकल लेंथ तो 45 सेंटीमीटर से कम ही होगा ना. सो इट विल बी 30 सेंटीमीटर. तुम लोग वैसे भी इसको चेकआउट कर सकते हो दैट यू सोल्व इट करेक्ट और नॉट. सो फोकल लेंथ इज 30 सेंटीमीटर, एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ द लेंस इज दिस? इज कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. नाउ सी द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Here is our second question. A 2 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. Draw the diagram. Whenever you want to solve the numerical of lens formula or mirror formula, please bacha just be adopt this habit just to make the diagram, because it will be very clear to get the solution. It will be very easy. So this is the principal axis, convex lens, focal length 10 centimeter. Focal length is given 10 centimeter. Convex lens कैसा होगा? Positive focal length. Okay. This side it is 2f1. If this is f2, so this is 2f2. Okay, like this. Okay. Now it is saying the object is 15 centimeter. So object is somewhere here, 15 centimeter from the optical center. U is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Question is saying nature, position and size of the image. Also find the magnification. It means we need to calculate the V, we need to calculate the M, and we need to tell about the height of image in comparison of the height of object. So how we will calculate? First thing, very simple, go through the lens formula. See, if we will not apply lens formula, then with the diagram also we can tell. See, bacha, it is 15 centimeter. Focal length is somewhere here. Between f1 and 2f1 है. तो क्या होगा? It will be real. It will be inverted. It will be enlarged image. ये क्लियर है डायग्राम से, बट यू कैन प्रूव इट विद द आंसर ऑल्सो. बट यहाँ से डायग्राम से भी तुम लोग क्लियरली बता सकते हो. नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट v. So 1 by v minus 1 by u, so we can write it 1 by u plus 1 by f. Okay. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by u minus 15 plus 1 by f 10. So it will be what? 150 you can take from here. It will be minus 10 plus 15. It will be 5 by 150. And that will be 1 by 30. So V is equal to what bacha? 30 centimeter plus 30. It means object will be somewhere here. 30. F2 F2 के बाद में, क्योंकि अगर ऑब्जेक्ट F1 और 2F1 के बीच में है तो इमेज कहाँ बनता है? Beyond 2F2. So V is equal to plus 30 centimeter. M कैसे निकालेंगे? M is what is the formula of M? It is V by U. 30 by U is what? Minus 15. So 15 to the 30, M is equal to minus 2. M is equal to minus 2. Now we know that M depends on the, M depend upon what? M depend on the height of the object and height of the image. Height of image divided by height of object also. So from here, if you want to calculate, M is equal to HI by HO is equal to minus 2. So HI will be minus 2 into HO, that we can calculate. Yes. So from this formula also we can get the magnification, we can get the nature, that is real, inverted, and position and size of the image also in comparison of the size of object. Next question. An object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away. 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. कौन सा लेंस है बच्चा? Convex lens. Oh, focal length 10 centimeter. F is given. Convex lens है, focal length is 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, nature and size of the image also. Whatever given, write down that first. Height of object 5 centimeter. Last question में हमें height of object नहीं था, so we just compared with the height of object that if it is HO, so what will be HI? We were comparing that. Now it is given to us, so we can calculate HI, height of image. Now U is given minus 25 centimeter. We need to find all other things. So firstly, we need to calculate V also with the lens formula. Ray diagram. Convex lens. This is optical center F1, 2F1. This is F2. This is 2F2. Now see, focal length कितना है? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. So up to here 20 centimeter. Object कहाँ पे है? 25. So it will be beyond 2F1. And when object is beyond 2F1, image कहाँ बनता है? Between F2 and 2F2 somewhere. Okay. So this will be the ray diagram. Now we need to calculate ray diagram. You can simply draw like this. It will goes through the focus. It will go through the focus, and the second one you can pass through the optical center, and the point where it will meet, it will be image. Okay, so like this you can show the ray diagram also in this case. Now we need to calculate the V. So formula 1 by V is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by F. 1 by U is what bacha? Minus 25 plus 1 by 10. So how we will solve? Will be minus 10 plus 25. So plus 15 by 250. Yes, it will be plus 15 by 250 and it will be 3 by 50. So B will be 50 by 3 centimeter, or we can say 303, 36, 18, 16.6 centimeter. This will be your V. Now you know the V, so you can calculate the magnification. That is what? V by U. V is 16.6, or we can say 50 by 3. And what was U? U was minus 25. So from here, when you will solve, it will be minus 2 by 3. Okay. And this magnification, you know, it is what? Magnification is equal to height of image by height of object. And height of object is what? 5. It will go this side. So minus 2 by 3 into 5 is equal to height of image. So what will happen, bacha? Minus 10 by 3. Height of image is minus 10 by 3. So when you will solve it, it will be 3.33 something. So that will be the height of image, and negative sign shows that is inverted, real and inverted. So height of image also you can calculate. So I hope you got this question. Now see the next question. I hope that all the questions are easy. Next question, and this question is very easy. I will ask you to do it by yourself. Firstly, pause the video and do it by yourself. Very simple, very easy question. After that, you can check out the answer. See, bacha, object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from a concave lens. U is given minus 50 centimeter. Focal length 20 centimeter. In case of the concave lens, focal length is also negative. Find the nature and position of the image. Nature तो तुम्हें पहले ही समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. It is diverging lens. It is always virtual and erect. उसके केस में real possible ही नहीं है. So what is the answer? The image का nature कैसा होगा? It will be virtual and erect. The second thing, position of the image V. Simple apply. 1 by V is equal to 1 by U minus 50 plus 1 by F. Again 1 minus 20. Okay. So from here, what you can do? You can simply take LCM minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 by 100, or you can say V is equal to minus 100 by 7. You will get your answer from here. Okay, so that is a very simple questions. ठीक है, तो अभी तुम लोग प्रैक्टिस करो खुद से. Okay, बच्चा, see next question is from your NCERT exercise. Please consider that. And question number 9. The question is saying 1/2 of a convex lens is covered with a black paper, and will the lens produce the complete image or not, and what are the changes there that will take place? Question number 9, NCERT exercise that we need to refer. Okay, see what the question is saying, that there is a convex lens. Half part of this convex lens, either upper or lower one, is blocked, covered with the black paper, fully blocked. So in that case, if there is one object, so image will form or not? First question is this. So when the object is here, bacha, ray of light that is coming from the object will pass from the lower part. If lower part is blocked, so pass from the upper part. So image will form. Definitely image will form. The second thing, what will be the change? Change will be the in the brightness of the image, or we can say intensity will be reduced. Intensity of the light, because half part is covered. So for example, if it is like at this is F1, this is 2F1. In that case, light will not able to pass through this part, but light can pass through this lower part, na? From this lower part, and when light will pass through this lower part, then again they will go and they will meet somewhere, and at that point, image, of course, image will form, but the intensity of that image reduced. This will be the change. Complete image form. If this is this side, so image will be this side, complete, but only the intensity, or we can say brightness of the image, lightning of that image जो पहले जितना अच्छे से clearly दिखाई दे रहा था वो नहीं होगा. Intensity of the light decrease, बाकी image complete बनेगा. And if someone will ask you to draw the ray diagram, you can simply show like the 2F1 and one ray is passing from here. When you are blocking it, in that case you will not show it from this part. If you are blocking the lower part, in NCERT exercise it is given lower part, so when you are blocking the lower part, so you will show the image from this point, and again it will go from the focus and run through the optical center, and the point where they will meet, image will form. Wait, I will draw one clear diagram. So I hope दो जो क्वेश्चन उसने पूछे वो तुम्हें आंसर मिल गया. फर्स्ट, image will form completely. Second, the change is in the intensity of the image. And third, if they are asking for the ray diagram, so if question is saying, NCERT is saying half part, this part is blocked completely, and object if I am saying at 2f1, yeah, so 1, this is f1, this is f2, this is 2 f2. So from where it will pass? Parallel rays pass through the focus, and then parallel rays pass through the focus, and the second one when it will come from here. Okay, wait. It is at the 2f1 and it is coming to the parallel. So parallel rays will always focus from here. Wait. It is not 2f2. It is f1 focus. F2. This is 2f2 if I am saying. So this will pass through here. Okay. And the second one, if I will say that through the optical center, so the point where they will meet, image will form. Equal size, real and inverted, only intensity will be less. So this question was quite important, so that's why I told you. Okay. Other than that, all other questions that is given in the NCERT exercise, please try it by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me also. Like question number 14, 15, 16, 17, please try it. Okay, so last question is, now we will try to find out today's last question and try to do it by yourself. Okay. The magnification of a lens is -1. Magnification M is given -1. If the distance of the image from the object of the lens from O, sorry बच्चा, O means optical center. Just to space को थोड़ा बचाने के लिए मैंने short term में लिखा है. Optical center of the lens is 35 centimeter. U is given -35 centimeter. Where is the object place? Distance of the image, sorry, V is given. Where is the object place? U we need to calculate. V is 35 centimeter. U is, we need to calculate. We don't know about the sign of V. So what is the nature and focal length of the lens? Firstly this part. Then if the object is displaced 20 centimeter towards the optical center, where would be the image form and what is its nature? Now see, सबसे पहले इसको ध्यान से देखो. मैग्निफिकेशन इज नेगेटिव. कौन से लेंस में होता है? मैग्निफिकेशन M इज -1. किस केस में पॉसिबल है? कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के केस में. सो फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द लेंस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लेंस इज व्हाट? कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. नाउ अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. M इज इक्वल टू व्हाट बच्चा? V by U. From here we can simply say -1 is equal to V. What is this given? 35 divided by U. So now U will be what? -35 centimeter. Got it or not? V is equal to 35, M is equal to -1, U we got -35 centimeter. Nature of the lens also we got. This is convex lens. In case of the concave, it is positive because the object and the image both is in front of the mirror and both are negative. So V by U when we will put, the magnification is always positive in case of the concave lens. Here in question it is given, it is -1. So -1 किस केस में पॉसिबल है? कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के केस में पॉसिबल है. यहाँ तक क्वेश्चन सोल्व हो गया है. So from here we can clearly say the distance of the image from the lens and the distance of the object from the lens is equal. किस केस में इक्वल होता है बताओ मुझे? When object is at 2f1. Remember or not? When object is at 2f1, image कहाँ पे बनता है बच्चा? Image 2f2 पे बनता है. 2f2. Same distance. This one and this one. So U and V both are equal. So this distance is 35 centimeter from the optical center. 35. Tell me what is this? ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक फोकल है. ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक क्या है बच्चा? रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. सो सिंपली हम लोगों को क्या फाइंड आउट हो गया, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. फोकल लेंथ कैसे निकालोगे, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, पॉजिटिव होगा 35/2. इट विल बी 17.5 सेंटीमीटर. यहां तक समझ में आया या नहीं? फर्स्ट पार्ट यू शुड क्लियर अबाउट दिस थिंग. You need to give, it is given to you, magnification is -1 and the distance of the image is given to you. Object distance you will calculate from the formula, it is -35. From here you will see that u and v are both at the same distance, and this is possible in one case where object is at the 2f1 and the image is also at format 2f2. So this is the part, and in this case this is the radius of curvature 35 centimeter. We need to find out the focal length of the lens. We will divide it. This is 17.5 centimeter. Because the magnification was negative, so we can say this is convex lens. Half part done. Now the question is saying if the object is displaced 20 centimeter towards the O. यहाँ से object 20 centimeter is displaced towards the O. तो अगर वो 20 centimeter इधर आएगा, if this distance is 20 centimeter, ये distance कितना बचेगा? 35 minus 20. What will happen? It will be, yeah, it will be 15. Yes, sorry, 15 centimeter. This distance, it is coming towards the origin. Yes, displaced 20 centimeter towards optical center. 20 centimeter towards optical center. So this distance will be 15 centimeter. Now u is what? Where is the object? Object is at 15. U is minus 15 centimeter बचा. And what is the question? What would be the image form? डिस्टेंस कहाँ पे होगा, इमेज कहाँ पे बनेगा, और फोकल लेंथ हम लोग को पता ही है 35/2. वी ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड. एंड व्हाट इज इट्स नेचर, हम लोगों को बताना है नेचर क्या होगा. नेचर क्या होगा? इट विल बी रियल, इन्वर्टेड, और इट विल बी वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. convex lens है. Last case, remember last case when the object is between the focus and the optical center, image form is virtual and erect. So इस केस में इमेज इसी तरह बनेगा, and we need to find out that. How we will find out? I am erasing this part. I hope you noted down or you got it. So now I am erasing this and see क्या होगा. देखो, u is given, f we already calculated, v हमें निकालना है. Apply lens formula 1/v minus 1/u, so minus 15 minus minus plus is equal to 1/f. So it will be 2/35. Okay, we need to calculate 1/v, 2/35 minus 1/15. What we will do? 35 LCM we need to take. 15 to the 30. This side it will be 30 minus it will be 35. So what will happen, bacha? Minus 5 divided by 35 into 15, and it will be 7. 1/v is equal to negative 1/105. Yes. So कहने की बात है, जो v है that is what? -105 centimeter. Negative, it means the image is forming this side, and what is the distance? 105 centimeter. Image will be virtual, image will be erect. This is the nature of the image. So समझ में आया क्वेश्चन? पहले तुम लोगों को डिस्टेंस ऑफ इमेज गिवन था, डिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट निकाला, एंड वी ऑब्जर्व दैट बोथ आर एट द 2f1 and 2f2. So we got the radius of curvature, and by doing it half we know the focal length of this convex lens. After that the question is saying object को 20 centimeter displace किया optical center की तरफ. So now object is somewhere here between focus and the optical center, and the distance is 15. So we know the case of convex lens when object is between the focal length and focus and the optical center. So image is always virtual and the erect. This is the last case of the convex lens. So now we calculated the value and we got the v, that is -105 centimeter. So I hope you got this question also. बच्चा प्लीज ट्राई एंड प्रैक्टिस बाय योरसेल्फ. आप वही कर सकते हो, एंड नो नीड टू बी सो इतना स्ट्रेस लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. आराम से करो, आराम से सब कुछ हो जाएगा. नो नीड टू टेक स्ट्रेस एंड द बर्डन. एंड लॉकडाउन अभी चल रहा है, सो एंजॉय इट. जस्ट जो भी आपकी हॉबीज है, जस्ट डू दोज थिंग्स ऑल्सो. एंड वेन एवर यू फील दैट यू वांटेड टू डू न्यूमेरिकल्स एंड फिजिक्स इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग same subject. So when you want to solve the numericals, you can solve your numericals. Don't take stress, don't take it as a burden. So please study safe, be safe, take care of your health, take care of your family's health, and please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.